This video explains how to use the Bosch double oven at Evergreen House. So you'll find that we have a fan oven and a traditional oven. So the fan oven is the big one at the bottom and it's controlled by this dial. So if you wish to turn on the light, just go to the light and that will illuminate, and then to set the temperature, you just turn it to whatever temperature setting you need. And this red light will illuminate. When this goes off, the oven's at the temperature. To turn off, just make sure it goes to the 12 o'clock position. Now at the top, we have a top oven, and this also has a grill. And to use this as a conventional oven, you just turn it to here. You'll see the light come on, and then you can set the temperature. To use it as a grill, just turn it to the grill position, and then you turn this dial around and you have setting 1, 2 and 3. To finish, please turn all the knobs to the 12 o'clock position, and that's how to use the double oven at Evergreen House. Thank you.